It begins with one choice, your character.
Maybe Dale Earnhardt Jr. Then a simple idea talks about racing. From that single spark, the AI builds an entire world, the voice, the story, the visuals, the scene. You press create, and in 3 to 4 minutes, your video comes to life. And the best part? You can try it for free. Go ahead, do it now. Visit viralstrike.ai/free.
Racing isn't just a sport, it's a tremendous journey of persistence and precision. Racing isn't just a sport, it's a tremendous journey of persistence and precision. The best drivers know that every lap teaches you something new. The passion, the strategy, the adrenaline, it all combines into a huge challenge that pushes you beyond limits. Embrace every moment on the track, because in racing, every second counts and every decision shapes your destiny.